Hello and welcome to Logos College Online Learning. This is Achan Tato. Today, I want to talk to you a little bit more about Unit 10 of your speaking class. It's a person-to-person 2 textbook. So let's go to page 80 in your book, please. And this was it. In last previous episode, I talked about conversation between Mariko and Bob. And what was important there was I wanted you to notice the voice inflection when you ask a question. When you ask a question, that's a WH question. All right. Questions like where, what, when, who, why, which, and also how. These questions, your voice inflection goes down at the end. And then this question right here with Mariko this is a yes or no question. You can either answer yes or no. And this type of question, voice inflection goes up at the end. Right? Mariko would ask, she asked like this, and do you know who that man is? So that was the most important part of the previous lesson. So now this lesson, we're going to imply that to asking who someone is. So over here, section 1 in your book, if we're asking who someone is, we can ask questions like, over here, we're student A, person A, who's that woman? Do you know who that man is? Do you know who that guy is? You're having a conversation. Person B could ask you back, which one? Notice the voice inflection goes down. Which one? And then you would answer, the one in the purple sweater, the one in the blue jacket, the one next to the telephone. And if student B, they could also answer back. If they're not sure, they're uncertain, they don't know, they can say, I have no idea, I never saw her before, I never saw him before, I'm not sure. Okay. I think she is the one who just moved into my apartment building. I think he's the one who just moved into my apartment building. Right, so all these phrases in the blue box, they show that you either don't know or you're not 100% sure. So this is a sample conversation that you can have if you're asking who someone is. I want to take a second to talk about one, the word one. Which one? The one. So one is a pronoun. It can be used as a pronoun. Look at this conversation right here. These chocolates are nice. Would you like one? So one in this case is a chocolate, right? One piece of chocolate. I need a pen. Have you got one? Here, one means a pen. Is there a bank near here? Yes, there's one at the end of this street. One is a bank. So if it's one thing, we say one. Which one? Which hat? There's one hat. One car. One girl. There's many, many things we say ones. So that's plural. Here she asks which ones because there's many flowers. Which flowers? Right? Which ones do you want? The white ones. So with one thing, remember you use this and that. One thing, this one, that one. There's many things we use these and those. Okay. I want you come down here and look at and un. Quick reminder, the word is before a consonant sound and un is before a vowel sound. You can use the word some if there are many things. Let's look at this example. My shoes are very old. I'm going to buy some new ones. So here, some new ones takes place of shoes. Here's an exercise. I did number 2, number 3 for you. They want you to use the information in this box to write answers between conversation between person A and person B. Can you lend me a pen? I'm sorry, I haven't got one. So it's a pen, that's why you use one. Would you like to have a car? Person B up here, here's your choices, and B doesn't need a car, so he would answer, no, I don't need one. One is one car, a car. Number 3, have you got a bicycle? Box says B is going to buy a bicycle, so we would use the pronoun one. No, but I'm going to buy one. I'll let you do this on your own time if you'd like. This will be up. I will put this in a presentation for you in your Google Classroom so you can work on it if you like. I want to get down here to your exercise. Here, there's 6 pictures. I found some pictures with color to help you. And they want you to practice taking turns asking and answering questions about the people below. So they want you to practice asking who someone is. So let's look at picture number 1. If you want to ask who this person is based on what she's wearing, you would ask, who's that woman wearing the green dress? And you would answer down here, she works at a Mexican embassy, right? She's the one who works at the Mexican embassy. If you want to ask based on what she's doing, on action, you would say, who's that woman working at her desk? Or who's that one typing on the computer? Right? She's the one who works at the Mexican embassy. So there's many ways to ask who someone is based on what they wear, their actions. Let's look at picture number 2. Who's the man wearing a purple shirt? Right? I think he is the one who's a sports reporter. Here, let's talk about picture number 3. Who's the man carrying the television? I think he's the one who just moved into the house next door. So there's many ways to ask about who someone is. You can talk about their appearance, what they look like, what they're wearing, the actions they're doing. I'll let you practice that on your own time. You can ask about people based on appearance. Again, who's that woman with red hair? Right? If you know that she's a famous actress, you would say, she is a famous actress. Who's the man with short black hair? He is my neighbor. Okay. Who's the one with short blonde hair? I think she is a fashion model. You can ask about people based on location also. Let's look at this guy back here, all right? You'd say, who's the man standing behind everybody? You're not sure? You say, I don't know. I'm not sure. I have no idea. I never saw him before. You can also ask about people based on emotions. Who's the woman that's smiling? You know, I think she's the one that just won the lottery. Who's the woman that looks angry? I think she's the one that had just, I don't know. Why would you be angry? I think she's the one. She's the one that just got into a fight with her husband. I don't know. So you can ask about people based on emotion, based on their location, where they're standing, based on how they look like, their appearance, based on what they are doing. All right, that's going to be it for this lesson. I'm going to send you this slideshow to you, and if you'd like, you can work on these worksheets. Okay, it's not going to be homework. It's something for you to do extra if you want to learn more about one and ones. But the most important thing about this lesson is that you should know there's many ways of asking who someone is. And this model conversation between A and B is usually how you ask if you want to know who someone is. Okay, that's it for this lesson. Um, thanks for watching. Please leave any comments to me in Google Classroom. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. Use my WhatsApp or my email. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.